vegetative reproduction. Give two suitable examples. Oh wow, what is vegetative reproduction? So, as I explained in the previous answer, you're supposed to look at or write it as like this. What is vegetative reproduction? So where does it take place? It takes place in plants. So write, in plants, vegetative propagules are runner, rhizome, suckers, etc. that are capable of producing new offspring. Remember the word new offspring. By the process called vegetative reproduction. What, kids? Vegetative reproduction. And as the formation of these vegetative propagules does not involve both the parents, and thus the process involved is asexual. So it's similar. Always remember, vegetative similar to vegetables. Okay, so it occurs in what? Plants. Plants have these parts, that is runner, rhizome and suckers, which are capable of producing new offsprings, and the process called is vegetative propagation. Now, as the formation of these vegetative propagules does not involve both the parents, thus the process is known as asexual. Okay, so we are done with the answer. Now we need two suitable examples. So the examples are, one, that is advantageous birds in the notches along with the leaf margins of bryophyllum grow and form new plants. So kids, if this is a bryophyllum, this particular leaf, if you keep it in water for a few days, it will form roots like this. Now plant this root, plant this particular leaf in soil, you will get a new bryophyllum plant. So this is known as bryophyllum, and this is how new plants are formed. So advantageous roots, advantageous buds in the notches along with the leaf margin of bryophyllum grows to form new plants. The other example is potato tubers. Having buds when they grow develops into a new plant. So this is a potato. This will have buds. If you plant this again in the soil, you'll again form a new plant. Okay, clear? So here it is, vegetative propagation, answer and two examples. So kids, we are done with question 7 as well.